In this video, I'm going to unbox my brand new Ktuner and show you guys how to install it to your car and how to upload a tune. I'm going to be using the Phearable Stage 1 tune. It just came out and I'm really excited to try it out. It's a competitor to TSP Stage 1, which I was running, so let's do it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do, you need a Windows laptop to run the Ktuner Manager software. If you have a MacBook and you have the Windows emulator, you can also use that. I tried to figure out how to do that on mine, but I couldn't figure it out. So, I'm gonna unbox this. This is my version 1.2. As you guys know, my version 2 was stolen, but I'll be getting another one. Oh, if you're watching this, I am going to give this away, like probably in July or August. Probably August, I'm gonna give this away. So, if you haven't subscribed, probably do that. You only have two things in here, and I recommend also getting some Chips Ahoy, and then we can begin. So the very first thing you do with the Ktuner version 1.2 is go to ktuner.com, then go to downloads and hit download. And just to be clear, I do have nothing on my computer right now. I'm doing this is all genuine that you're seeing on this video. So next thing you're gonna do is open this bitch up. More info, run anyway. Obviously hit yes to all of this. Oh, here we go. Accept, next. Everything's ready to use, let's finish. Right here, we have our Ktuner icon. So I'm gonna open it up. We're gonna have to go out to the car with the laptop and Ktuner in a second. Okay, so this just says you've updated your software and must sync your account by hitting update in the account window. Okay, so I think we have to connect to Ktuner now before we go out to the car to register it. So let's register it. Just plug it into the USB port and then plug it into here. And it's gonna blink. This unit is not currently registered to your account. Would you like to register it now? Yes. This Ktuner Flash's firmware is out of date. Would you like to update now? Yes. The Ktuner Flash device must be plugged into a high-powered USB port. Yeah, it's plugged into the computer, bro. Just do it. Oh, now we have a little blue light. I guess that means that it's updating and it's flashing. Cool. It appears this has not yet been locked to an ECU. Please connect it to the vehicle before connecting to the software. All right, let's go to the car. Am I recording?
Yeah.
It's blinking?
Yeah.
So you are going to need internet connection. I'm using my phone's hotspot. I'm gonna get it under here and plug this in. OBD2 port is pretty snug up in here. Oh, look at that, my Ktuner version 2 OBD connector is still in there. Good times. Probably need to put my car in at least accessory mode. Would you like to lock this Ktuner to the ECU? Yes, I would. Thank you very much. Okay, so now we have a green connection button. Yes, I would like to lock it to the ECU. Dude, how many times do I have to check this fucking box? For a fourth time, yes. Uploading. So what it's doing now is it's uploading the stock tune from my car to the Ktuner. Serial number. Why are there two different serial numbers here? All right, now what I'm gonna do, go to your, if you bought a tune, I'm gonna show you how to upload a tune. So I got the Phearable Stage 1 tune. It's a brand new tune by this company called Phearable.net. Really excited to try it out. They put a lot of time and work into making this tune, so I hope it's good. We're gonna try it out at the end of the video. So now I'm gonna open Ktuner. First thing we're gonna do is go to File, Open Tune, and it should be in my downloads. This tune is partially locked from editing and tuning maps may not be visible. Yeah, you just hit OK. That just means that you're not gonna be able to see like all the adjustments that the tune made to the ECU, because then people will be able to copy it and sell it as their own. Then this is what I had trouble with first time. I didn't notice this, and a lot of people miss this. Your tune, actually, it's a very bad design. So Ktuner, you guys have been great. If you're seeing this, there must be a better way at letting people know that like what tune is loaded up. So it just pops up right here in the top left corner of the screen. So out of all the screen, nothing pops up right in the middle, you'd think. It just pops up on the top left side. So this is the tune exactly how it was spelled out from the email. Cameron Hill 2020 SI Stage 1.5. Now what we're gonna do is upload base code right here. When you have the 1.2, you need to press flash now to flash it now. The tune slots are, it says upload to a tuning slot to flash later from our Ktuner v1.2 Android app. Flash now to flash directly to the ECU. Now it's working. Because now all the lights are blinking. So here we are. I got this message right here. Please key the vehicle off for a few seconds, turn the key back on, and wait a few seconds before hitting OK. So it's been more than a few seconds. I'm gonna hit OK. Flash successful. What I'm gonna do real quick is start up the car and just let it sit for a minute. Okay, my intake air temperature is 129 and slowly lowering. So I guess a good way to make sure that it's correctly on my car is map 2 for the Phearable Stage 1 tune is exactly 22 psi. I guess I'm gonna have to take it out on the road and put it to the floor, and if it makes exactly 22 psi, then I guess I will know that I have uploaded it correctly. Oh, so another thing, since you can't see your gauges on the actual device like you could in version 2, there is this thing you have to do. You have to do a Honda hack and hack the infotainment screen, and then you'll be able to get like the Ktuner app, and then you'll be able to see your Ktuner gauges. All right, so it feels good so far. I'm gonna show you guys some little things to know about the tune. You can actually turn on and off rev hang as you please. You don't have to touch anything in the settings of the tune. All you have to do is press the main cruise control buttons and turn them on. And here's your rev hang. Let's try it out. Yep, rev hang is definitely there. You will also know rev hang is there, and most people don't even realize this. You will also know rev hang is there because you'll hear the psh sound from your Cobra intake. You do not get that unless you're like under full throttle with rev hang disabled. So, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about right now. Plop it into third. Hear that? That's how you know rev hang is enabled. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that back off. I wanna see how I wanna see what this guy did for a tune, man. This is cool. So I actually called John Vega. He's the owner of Phearable.net. He's the one who did the tune. And he actually took the time to have a phone call with me, and I was able to ask him a bunch of questions about making the tune and what it was like, the process of it. He said he spent upwards of 72 man hours working on this tune, and on a 10th gen SI with all stock bolt-ons, with all stock parts. On his dyno, it read 224 wheel horsepower, and I can't remember the exact amount of torque, but I'll put it on screen here. And believe me, we're gonna try that out right now. So actually, I'm noticing something. I'm noticing a difference between this and the TSP Stage 1 tune. The TSP Stage 1 tune with the rev hang off, when you're going and you're shifting gears and you have like 3 or 4 or 5 pounds of boost, the psh sound is a little different. You don't get, so when rev hang is enabled, when rev hang is on, you get the full on like psh, and it's very, very prominent, it's very noticeable. With this Phearable's tune, with the rev hang off, I'm noticing it more than the TSP Stage 1 tune. This feels really smooth. This feels really smooth. I'm liking this tune so far, and I'm just driving through town. So on the TSP Stage 1 tune, what you had to do is in maps 2 and 3, there were different boost levels when you were in normal mode and when you're in sport mode. On this tune, I don't believe it's like that. It doesn't matter whether you're in sport or normal mode. Each map has a boost level that overrides both normal and sport modes. Dude, this tune, I can't really explain it all that well, but it feels smoother than TSP Stage 1. Like, wow, this car feels really good. Wow, dude, this car feels really smooth. I am enjoying this tune, man. These are my first impressions. This feels smoother than TSP Stage 1 just driving through town. Yeah, sorry about the GoPro. I'm pretty sure it's either dead or it's too hot to turn on. I don't know what's wrong with it. Go for a little drive around the block. But what I will do is go onto the street. I think the speed limit's like 45. PSI. So that was nice. So that was the middle tune. That was the middle setting. That's nice, man. That's nice. I'm happy. Okay. All right. Hey man, I'll tell you what though. I'm gonna end this video right here, but that tune feels really good. I am so excited to go do some races with this. Wow. I mean, that hauled. Yeah. And my traction control was on. I forgot to disable my traction control. Unfortunately, in these cars, you have to do a whole pedal dance to turn the traction control completely off, which is obnoxious, absolutely obnoxious. Why is that even a thing? I'm about to get pissed off again talking about that, so I'm not gonna talk about it. Anyway, if there's anyone at Honda watching this, take note of my frustration, please. That's fucking annoying. Also, Honda Sensing a piece of shit. I don't want Honda Sensing in my car. Get it out of here, or disconnect it, or show us a way to disconnect it, or something. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you. That's all I got, guys. I'm freaking excited to do some racing. I'm gonna race that Civic. I'm gonna race that Evo. It's gonna be a great time. Oh, and I forgot my intercooler. I'm gonna race Sergio's Cobalt again and see if I can take him finally with this tune and the intercooler upgrade. So then I'm gonna get a custom shift knob. I'm gonna do a leather interior swap from the touring model. Shit's going down. It's going down. I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.